You ever signed a deal that looked perfect on paper until it drained your energy, money, and sleep? You're not dumb. The world just rewards speed more than wisdom. We've been told, take every opportunity, but reality hits hard. Chasing everything is how most entrepreneurs burn out, not blow up. Most people don't fail in business because they lack ideas. They fail because they said yes to the wrong ones. One bad yes can trap you for years. Imagine a small business owner excited, hopeful, signing a partnership deal that feels like a dream. Months later, the excitement fades into anxiety and regret. Society glorifies hustle, more deals, more meetings, more grind. But real success comes from discernment, not busyness. If you keep saying yes without a framework, your business becomes someone else's playground. Today, let's fix that before another great opportunity ruins your focus. Did you know most billion-dollar founders walk away from 80% of deals that cross their desk? Hey, I'm Max. Welcome back to the Max Focus channel, where we help you rewire your mind and redesign your life. Hit subscribe, drop a like, and let's dive in, because the next deal you walk into could make or break your future. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only, not legal or financial advice. Today, I'll share a proven framework top founders use to spot red flags, protect their focus, and avoid bad business deals before they happen. Let's dive into the proven framework top founders use to avoid bad business deals. Here's the truth. Not every deal deserves your attention. The best founders don't chase every opportunity. They filter them. This is what I call the founder's filter. A simple test of 3 questions. Does it align with your vision, values, and bandwidth? If even one answer is no, walk away. According to a U.S. Chamber survey, 72% of small business owners regret at least one major deal decision. Most of those regrets came from saying yes too fast. You didn't start a business to feel trapped or overworked. You started it for freedom, creativity, and purpose. Every deal should protect that vision, not steal it. Saying yes to everything might feel productive, but it's often driven by fear of missing out. Real leaders have the courage to focus. Think like a gold miner. They toss away tons of dirt just to find 1 ounce of gold, and that's exactly how founders should treat deals. Every deal costs more than just money. Smart founders know to measure not just their return on investment, but their return on energy, because your energy is your most limited resource. Think about it. The average entrepreneur spends 37% of their week on things that don't even move their business forward. That's nearly half your time gone to distractions and unnecessary commitments. Now imagine saying no to just one bad deal and suddenly getting your weekends, focus, and creativity back. Sometimes the best decision you'll ever make is the one you didn't say yes to. Many founders chase exposure or networking thinking it'll open doors, but exposure doesn't pay your bills or protect your mental health. Be careful what you trade your energy for. Naval Ravikant once said, "Learn to say no without explaining yourself. The best founders protect their focus like it's gold." Every deal is like adding a new app to your phone. It looks useful, but too many running in the background will crash your system. Simplify your life, and your performance will multiply. If it doesn't serve your future self, it's a trap. Every decision you make today is either building the life you want or distracting you from it. Before saying yes to any deal, ask yourself, does this align with where I want to be 5 years from now? Short-term wins can steal your long-term vision. Most failed startups don't die from starvation. They die from indigestion. They take on too much too fast. Imagine only saying yes to projects that fuel your dream life, calm mornings, creative work, and total focus. Many people confuse activity with progress. Just because you're busy doesn't mean you're moving forward. Steve Jobs once said, "Focusing is about saying no. Protect your time like it's gold, because it is." Spot manipulation before it spots you. The smartest founders don't just listen to what's being said, they pay attention to how it's said. Watch for pressure tactics. If someone's pushing you too, decide right now, that's your cue to slow down. Be cautious of vague promises and too good to be true deals. Real opportunities come with real details. Over 60% of small business disputes in the U.S. start from unclear agreements or verbal deals. Clarity today saves chaos tomorrow. Peace of mind doesn't come from complexity. It comes from clarity and knowing who you're really dealing with. As Mark Cuban says, you don't need everyone, you need the right ones, like dating. If they pressure you early, imagine what it'll be like later. Emotions make deals. Numbers save them. Before you sign anything, take a deep breath. The excitement can cloud your judgment. Always stress test the math. Check your profit splits, cost structure, and hidden expenses. A quick spreadsheet review can save months of regret. Even a 5% miscalculation on a $100,000 deal can erase your entire profit. Small errors in math can lead to big disasters. Freedom comes from clarity, not luck. When your numbers are clean, your choices become powerful and calm. If the deal only works under perfect conditions, it's not a deal, it's a gamble. Real entrepreneurs build safety into their numbers. As Ray Dalio says, pain plus reflection equals progress. Every tough financial lesson teaches you to build smarter, not faster. Smart founders plan their goodbye before they even say hello. Every deal starts with excitement, but the real pros think about how to exit gracefully if things change. Before signing anything, always ask yourself, how do I get out if this doesn't work? It's not pessimism, it's smart strategy. Most business breakups turn ugly because no one talked about exit terms early. A simple conversation now can save months of stress later. Freedom means having control. You want partnerships that you can leave gracefully, not ones that trap you when things go wrong. The best time to plan your exit is before the first signature. That's when your mind is clear and your emotions haven't taken over. Like buying a car, you always check where the brakes are before you hit the gas. The same goes for business. Know your exits before you accelerate. Clarity beats opportunity. The best founders don't chase every shiny deal. They focus on the ones that truly align with their mission. The real skill is decision hygiene, protecting your time and focus from noise. Every yes must earn its place. The average founder makes 35 key decisions a day, and fatigue doubles after 20. That's why clarity isn't luxury. It's survival. Calm clarity over constant hustle, that's where wisdom grows. True leaders know when to pause, not just when to push. More options don't always mean more freedom. Sometimes they create more confusion and steal your peace. Like pruning a tree, cutting the extra branches helps it grow stronger. Peter Drucker once said, "There's nothing so useless as doing efficiently what should not be done at all." We covered the proven framework top founders use: filter, measure energy, align goals, spot red flags, check the math, plan exits, and think clearly. Bad deals aren't just about contracts, they're about clarity. Protect that, and you protect everything else. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's about to sign a deal they should think twice about. Drop your biggest deal regret or lesson in the comments. Let's learn from each other. You're watching Max Focus channel. Rewire your mind, redesign your life. Until next time. Stay sharp, stay kind, and stay focused.